Indian Space Research Organization Isro chief Somanath S. has said that mining of asteroid is unlikely to take place immediately, but everyone is talking about it since there is potential in it. Addressing a press conference after the conclusion of the precursor meeting of the G20 Space Economy Leaders meeting in Shillong on Monday, Somanath said that to conduct mining of asteroid, the government has to transport huge machinery to that place. He said that after the first man landed on the moon, for the next 50 years, no one went there. But today, there is a renewed interest to go to the moon because of lesser costs.
A popular destination for space. Today, we know space is not only being done as an interest for high technology, but it also brings benefit to the public, the common good, and we are currently deriving in India very much. There is also an increasing awareness everywhere that it's not only for certain applications of the government and administration, but it also brings in business and opportunities for startups and industries in the sector.